Which TCP/IP model layer is responsible for ensuring reliable data delivery? A. Internet layer. B. Transport layer. C. Network interface layer. D. Application layer. Answer: B. Transport layer. What is the primary purpose of a router? A. Connect devices within the same LAN. B. Filter network traffic based on IP addresses. C. Block unwanted traffic from entering a network. D. Connect multiple networks together. Answer: D. Connect multiple networks together. What is the purpose of a subnet? A. To separate different types of traffic. B. To divide a large network into smaller, manageable segments. C. To encrypt data transmissions. D. To allocate IP addresses to devices. Answer: B. To divide a large network into smaller, manageable segments. Which of the following is a characteristic of a full duplex communication? A. Data can only flow in one direction at a time. B. Data can flow in both directions simultaneously. C. Data transfer is slower compared to half duplex. D. Data collisions are more common. Answer: B. Data can flow in both directions simultaneously. Which command is used to test connectivity between two devices on a network? A. Traceroute. B. Netstat. C. Ping. D. NSLOOKUP. Answer: C. Ping. Which of the following is a characteristic of a mesh network topology? A. High reliability. B. Centralized control. C. Low cost. D. Easy scalability. Answer: A. High reliability. Which protocol is used to remotely manage network devices such as routers and switches? A. SNMP. B. SMTP. POP3D, FTP. Answer: A. SNMP. What is the primary purpose of a DHCP relay agent? A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. To forward DHCP requests between subnets. C. To block unauthorized DHCP traffic. D. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. Answer: B. To forward DHCP requests between subnets. What is the purpose of a DNS server? A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. Answer: B. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. Which of the following is a characteristic of a stateful firewall? A. Inspects packets at the application layer. B. Filters network traffic based on IP addresses. C. Maintains a record of established connections. D. Uses proxy servers to forward traffic. Answer: C. Maintains a record of established connections. What is the purpose of a VPN, virtual private network? A. To securely connect two LANs over the Internet. B. To segment network traffic based on IP addresses. C. To authenticate users on a wireless network. D. To block malicious traffic from entering a network. Answer: A. To securely connect two LANs over the Internet. Which of the following is a characteristic of a ring network topology? A. High reliability. B. Centralized control. C. Low cost. D. Limited scalability. Answer: D. Limited scalability. What is the maximum transmission speed of a standard fast Ethernet connection? A. 10 megabits per second. B. 100 megabits per second. C. 1 gigabit per second. D. 10 gigabits per second. Answer: B. 100 megabits per second. Which of the following cable types is used for long-distance networking and is immune to electromagnetic interference? A. Cat5e/B, coaxial. C. Fiber optic. D. RG6. Answer: C. Fiber optic. Which of the following is a characteristic of a broadcast domain? A. Contains multiple IP subnets. B. Restricts traffic to a single network segment. C. Divides a network into smaller, manageable segments. D. Allows devices to communicate directly with each other. Answer: B. Restricts traffic to a single network segment. What is the purpose of a default gateway? A. To translate domain names to IP addresses. B. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. C. To forward traffic between different network segments. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: C. To forward traffic between different network segments. Which of the following is a characteristic of a star network topology? A. Requires less cabling compared to other topologies. B. Limited scalability. C. High susceptibility to single point failures. D. Easy to troubleshoot and maintain. Answer: D. Easy to troubleshoot and maintain. What is the purpose of a MAC address? A. To uniquely identify a device on a network. B. To translate domain names to IP addresses. C. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. D. To route packets between different networks. Answer: A. To uniquely identify a device on a network. Which of the following is a characteristic of a hub? A. Divides a network into multiple collision domains. B. Filters network traffic based on IP addresses. C. Operates at the network layer of the OSI model. D. Forwards data to a specific device based on its MAC address. Answer: A. Divides a network into multiple collision domains. What is the purpose of port forwarding? A. To encrypt data transmissions. B. To authenticate users on a network. C. To forward traffic from one port to another. D. To block unauthorized access to a network. Answer: C. To forward traffic from one port to another. Which of the following is a characteristic of a point-to-point network topology? A. High susceptibility to single-point failures. B. Requires less cabling compared to other topologies. C. Limited scalability. D. Centralized control. Answer: A. High susceptibility to single-point failures. What is the purpose of a proxy server? A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. To encrypt data transmissions. C. To filter and forward web traffic. D. To resolve domain names to IP addresses. Answer: C. To filter and forward web traffic. Which of the following is a characteristic of a half-duplex communication? A. Data can flow in both directions simultaneously. B. Data transfer is slower compared to full duplex. C. Data collisions are less common. D. Data transfer is asynchronous. Answer: B. Data transfer is slower compared to full duplex. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.